Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the same cloud account that held your contacts. This is crucial because the restore pulls from that account. Once signed in, make sure Wi-Fi is active so large syncs complete quickly. Now open Settings, go to Accounts, select your account, and enable Contacts Sync. You're starting the restore immediately. Do not skip signing in or you'll miss the backup. If prompted, choose to restore contacts from an available backup. This initiates the inbound transfer. Once the cloud restore runs, check alternative sources to catch missing entries. If you exported a vCard from your old phone, open Contacts, pick Import right arrow vCard file, and select the VCF. That adds contacts directly. Alternatively, import from the SIM card via Settings right arrow import/export. Make sure to choose the device or account as the destination. Then, let the app merge duplicates. It keeps one entry and combines numbers and emails, so you end up with a clean contacts list. You finish by verifying contact completeness. Open Contacts, filter by account, and spot check names and numbers. Once satisfied, create a fresh backup by exporting a vCard or enabling automatic cloud backups so you don't repeat this. If some contacts are still missing, toggle Contacts Sync off and on, force a manual sync, and confirm the Contacts app has permission to access your account and storage. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues. If it fails, recheck the original.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.